Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video for the first time, I want you to do me a favor right now. Hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you give your boy a thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below saying, hey, I'm ready to start learning how to do affiliate marketing, and I'm ready to take off and ready to start receiving commissions. Alright? So into today's video, I want to show you guys a simple method of what to do and how to make money with YouTube Shorts, and it's completely from scratch. Okay, most of you guys who starting out as a beginner, you're probably looking for the best way to make money online, or you probably failed and never know anything about affiliate marketing. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money with using YouTube Shorts, and we're going to use a network called affiliate marketing. So a network called Clickbank. So if you never know about Clickbank, then Clickbank is a 100% free marketplace. You as an affiliate can promote different products and services and make a commission. Okay, so without that being said, make sure you give your boy a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and make sure you turn those notification bells, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Alright, so without that being said, guys, let's do this. Alright, so when we're gonna come right here to a website called Clickbank, I will have the link in the description down below, so that way you have full access to this website. So that way you can sign up, register for free, and set up your direct deposit information. And yes, I do have an email swipe that you can use as well. I will leave it in the link in the description down below as well, so you can also use that as well. Okay. So without that being said, let's just head right over. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to come over here, register for your account, 100% free. That only takes a couple minutes to put your information. Make sure you put the right information so you can be verified and make sure it's you. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in to my Clickbank account right now and show you guys that, okay, I'm going to show you guys how to find a good product, okay, for this particular for this particular method I'm going to show you right now, okay. So what you want to do, you want to come over here to Marketplace, and then what you want to do, you want to look for the product. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look for a product. We're gonna go for the weight loss. All right. All right. So what we're gonna go for health and fitness, and then we're gonna sort this by gravity. Okay. All right. So the only ones you see so far is Exipure. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look for a good product that we can promote. Okay. So we're gonna promote the iCara juice. So let's click this one. This tells people how to lose weight if they want to live a better life. Okay. So we can check out the affiliate page. Let's check that out. See if they have any videos that we can post up. I don't think they do. So what we're going to do, we're going to look for a weight loss product. We already looked for a weight loss product, but now the next thing what you want to do, you want to come over here to a website called Canva. I will leave the link in the description down below, so that way you have full access to this amazing opportunity. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to create it from blank. Okay. Alright. And then what we want to do, we want to look for elements. We want to look for weight loss. Okay. Weight loss. Let's look for weight loss. This will help people completely change. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, we can use this one. And then what we could do, drag this up, make it more to say discover how you want to lose weight. Discover how you want to lose weight ASAP. Okay, so we're gonna make this bigger. Okay, only have a couple minutes to do this, guys, so bear with me for a minute. Okay, all right, so we're gonna go to effects. Okay, all right, we can do that, and then we can put this in bold. Unbold it. You can leave it like that. Okay, and then the next one we want to do, we want to hit text. We want to come down here, make this a little bigger. Okay, for the sake of this video. And then what we want to do, we want to say something like click the link in the bio. Okay, so we can leave this bigger, and then what we can do, we can actually size this. Okay, that's more better. All right, so now since we did that, now we can change the background color. We can change it to like green. We're gonna change it to beige. Let's see. Nah. Blue. Nope. Red. Nope. Great. I guess we can. Great. All right, y'all. So now what we're gonna do now, we're going to say I'll type this into weight loss. Okay. And then we're gonna save it. And then we're gonna download the video. Just give it a couple minutes, guys. Alright. So after that's being downloaded, what we want to do, we want to come over here. We want to go to tiny URL. And then what we want to do, we want to come back here to Clickbank. We want to promote this. So we're going to hit promote. We're going to say YouTube Shorts, because we're going to track it by YouTube Shorts, okay? Generate hot link, and then copy, and then once we're done, we're coming over here, paste it in here, and then copy, and then bam. Now the next step, what you want to do, guys, you want to come back to YouTube, and then you want to upload the video. And then once we upload it, give me a moment, guys, a moment. All right, so what you want to do, you want to put that in here. And then we want to say YouTube Shorts. We're going to say Shorts. We're going to use hashtag Shorts. Okay. And then we're going to say discover how to lose weight today. description. Actually, we don't. We're gonna put like, click here to learn more. Click here to learn more. And then bam. And then we're gonna put our link right there, then bam. And that's how you do it, alright? Now, the most important thing we wanna do, we wanna put tags, okay? So what we wanna do, we wanna put tags in the description. So we're gonna put tags in here, okay? Tags. We're gonna say weight loss. And then we're gonna put lose weight. And then we're gonna say the gym. Okay? And that's about it. And then once they click on the link, then bam, we upload it. And then bam, you're right here, guys. And then we're gonna put public. And then bam. And that's how you do it. Alright? So I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and make sure you give your boy a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online when I drop a new video. Alright? So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for allowing me to, get up to 307 subscribers. Guys, if you could do me a favor, share my content if you like it. Make sure give me 1,000 likes on this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, because let's get up to 1,000 subscribers, baby, if we can. Come on, you know what to do. Alright, y'all, peace.